everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to rather leading engine the market. In last video, I have teached about how to rather leading range and where to rather leading range. In last video, I have teached about what is the liquidity and what is the market strategy. In this video, we are going to combine the concept which I have teach me about video. The three concepts I have teach in the above video. So we are going to see the three concepts in the chart. Okay, first we are going to try a buy sell liquidity. I have taken the chart. First we need to find the liquidity point. Okay, I'm trying this as a liquidity point. This is buy sell liquidity. Market break of the buy sell liquidity. One market break of the buy sell liquidity. We are waiting for the reversal sign, which is known as market structure shift. This is the high. This which low is for this unit. We can say this is low as for this unit. So it is known as the market structure shift. We are going to draw this as a market structure shift. Now we found the result file. In last video, I have teach you how to draw the dealing range. Okay, how to draw the dealing range. In last video, I have teach you about the dealing range. And next we are waiting for to draw the dealing range. When you go to the Fibonacci tool, when market break out the buy sell liquidity, drop from high to low, and it must be above 50%. Now the market is at above 50%. And where should we take our entry? Now I give you a glimpse where should I I explain you. I will explain the basic and foundation concept. After concluding the foundation concept, we are going to enter in the PDRA. So we are going to first we are going. I think most of you know about fair and care. I now going to the introduction about 40 female fair and care. Okay, when market enters in the gap, we take a position now place. Okay, I think we may take a order in here short. So the market reaches here, we will take an order. So the target stop loss will be here. And the target will be above this window. Okay, I think you understand. First, you need to wait for the buy sell liquidity. When market break out the buy sell liquidity, you need to wait for the market structure shift. After market structure shift, you need to wait for the reversal. And I explain you what is mean by dealing range. The dealing range is the footprint of the market when market moves in the same direction. The market, for this key point we should notice, the market will do two things. The market will record the old high and the old low, and it imbalance the imbalance plays the rebalance. It will balance the imbalance place with the balance. So it is imbalance to balance. The market will be converted to imbalance to the balance. So market will follow the imbalance. This is the inverse FUG. I think you understand what is inverse FUG. This is known as inverse FUG. When market comes into inverse FUG, we can take a position. I am giving in this video. Okay, next we are going to see the sensor liquidity. You need to find the key reversal point in the market get retrace. Reversal point thought without turn okay. No, it's not proper one. Okay, it's improper. Nothing. So I don't think that I will give you in summary what is main. And I explained last few days bullish dealing range and now will give you a teach about bearish dealing range. I am searching for an example which will be seen as wait, you drop example. So there are many dealing I need to give a drop from dealing range example. So I am waiting for that. Okay, I consider this you can see it and market break out this wholesale liquidity here. This is no. When market break out this liquidity, first we need to find fossil liquidity. After that, we are waiting for the reversal confirmation, in which is a signal for this one. You know, which is signal. This is signal. Which is signal for this. When market comes here, and after that, okay, this is signal for this. So you consider this as a market structure shift. So we can buy a market suggestion place here. And after that, waiting for a dealing range. Where did we mark out dealing range? So market from here to here. First, we need to look for a dealing range for here, which is low, this is low. First, here to here, market given entry, and as market reach of 50%. Otherwise, if you have missed this entry, if it is entry, you can draw this to the side and you wait for a structure. And when market break over the 50, the dealing when this is known as bearish dealing when you must go in sell you must to low to high and market break over the 50%. You need to find something key level. In this video, you give a glimpse about what is mean by mitigation block, bullish mitigation block. Now you need to no need to confuse. I will draw the mitigation block. This zone is known as mitigation block and market does not give an entry. Okay, after here is an order block. I'm taking this order block. Okay, now you now need to know what is an order block. I will give introduction when market reaches this order block. I will take an entry. So in this video, I have given example. What is mean by bullish dealing range and what is mean by bearish dealing range. I have teach you about bullish and bearish dealing range. In next video, I am going to teach about what is mean by external range liquidity and internal range liquidity. If you have any doubt in this, you no need to confuse what is in the other block, what is in the mitigation block. First, we go after completing the foundation concept, we are going to enter into the PDRA, partition in there. I will teach you three types of PDRA, FEG, order block, and mitigation block. These are the three concepts, and SLT and OT. Okay, first we need to know about what is mean by leading range. After completing this video, in next video I will teach you about external range and internal range liquidity. Thank